Hey everyone, ready for a deep dive into something truly mind-blowing?
I hope so.
Today we're tackling generative AI.
Oh, yeah.
And we've got this fantastic document called Generative AI Intelligent Design.pdf to guide us.
Should be interesting.
It's amazing to think that AI can create art and write stories, even compose music.
It really is.
It's not just sci-fi anymore.
Definitely not.
This is happening right now. We're
Yeah.
talking about AI that can generate brand new content, just like we do.
That's right.
I was reading about DALL-E.
Uh-huh.
You can literally type in a cat riding a unicorn through a neon galaxy, and the AI will paint it for you.
Pretty amazing, huh?
It's mind-blowing.
It is.
But how does it even work?
Well, that's where things get really interesting.
I'm glad you're here to break it all down for us.
Happy to.
So where do we even begin with generative AI?
Well, it's been a fascinating journey, starting way back with simple rule-based systems.
Like giving a computer step-by-step instructions.
Exactly.
But then the deep learning revolution came along.
And that changed everything.
The document mentioned GANs, or generative adversarial networks, as a major turning point.
Oh, absolutely.
It sounds like something out of a superhero movie.
Maybe a little.
What's the deal with GANs?
Well, imagine two neural networks, like two brilliant minds locked in a creative battle.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
One is the generator, the artist, creating data.
Uh-huh.
And the other is the discriminator, the critic, trying to figure out if that data is real or fake.
A creative battle.
Yes. And this constant back and forth pushes both networks to get better and better.
So they're learning from each other.
Constantly.
And that's what leads to those mind-blowing outputs.
Like those incredibly realistic faces you see online.
The ones that make you question if it's even real.
Exactly.
It's amazing how AI is pushing the boundaries of creativity.
It really is.
So we've got these GANs battling it out.
Yeah.
What other types of generative AI are out there?
Well, there are quite a few, each with its own strengths.
Give us the rundown.
First up, we have VAEs, or variational autoencoders.
VAEs.
Think of them as master encoders and decoders.
Okay.
They can compress complex data, like an image.
Into a smaller package.
Exactly. Like
Yeah.
a super efficient zip file.
Fascinating.
And then they can reconstruct that image from the compressed information.
So it's like capturing the essence of an image.
You could say that.
But the document mentioned that VAEs aren't always great at creating realistic outputs.
That's right. They're better at understanding the structure of data.
And that's where GANs come in,
Exactly.
to provide that realism.
Right.
What about those autoregressive models?
Oh, those are the prediction pros.
Prediction pros.
They're great at working with sequential data like text or music.
Okay.
They analyze patterns and use them to predict what comes next.
Like an AI that can finish your sentences.
Precisely.
Or compose the next bar of a song.
You got it.
What about diffusion models?
Those are really interesting.
I'm intrigued.
Imagine taking a beautiful photo and slowly adding noise to it.
Until it becomes just static.
Right. And diffusion models learn to reverse this process.
So they start with noise and then gradually remove it to reconstruct the original image.
It's almost like magic.
Truly.
Like a digital restoration expert bringing a damaged painting back to life.
Fascinating.
It's all about denoising, removing the noise meticulously.
That's incredible.
And then we have transformers.
Ah, transformers.
Those are everywhere these days.
It seems like it.
They're special because they understand context in a way that previous models couldn't.
Context.
It's like reading a book and instantly grasping the meaning of an entire paragraph or even the entire book.
Wow, like a super reader.
They use something called self-attention to weigh the importance of different parts of the data.
To understand the bigger picture.
Exactly.
Give us some examples of these transformers in action.
Well, there's GPT-3
The one that can write stories and poems.
and even code.
It's incredible how it can fool people into thinking it was written by a human.
Right.
And then we have DALL-E, which we've already talked about.
The AI artist,
And what about BERT?
BERT, is a language understanding champion.
A champion.
They might not be generating text or images directly,
Okay.
but it's behind a lot of the smart features we use every day.
Like what?
Like those amazingly accurate search results.
I
We're
see.
chatbots that actually seem to understand what you're saying.
So we've got VAEs encoding and decoding, GANs battling it out, autoregressive models predicting the future, diffusion models magically denoising, and transformers understanding everything like a superbrain.
Phew. That's a lot, right?
It is. But it's incredible to think that we've only just scratched the surface of generative AI.
We really have.
But it's not just about the technology itself, it's about what we do with it.
That's the important part.
So let's talk about applications. How is generative AI making a real difference in the world?
Well, let's start with healthcare.
Okay.
Imagine a world where we can create synthetic medical images to train doctors.
Without needing access to real patient data.
Exactly. Protecting privacy while improving healthcare.
Wow.
Or how about AI-powered drug discovery
Where algorithms help design new drugs.
at an unprecedented pace?
That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually happening.
It is.
This is incredible. I'm sure our listeners are eager to hear more about how generative AI is changing the world around us.
Absolutely.
But we've covered a lot in this first part.
We have.
From demystifying generative AI to exploring those amazing models making waves.
It's a lot to take in.
It is, but I'm feeling inspired by the possibilities.
Me too.
So we're back, diving deeper into the world of generative AI.
Still with me.
We've talked about the magic,
Uh-huh.
but how are these AI systems actually built?
The practical side.
It seems so complex, like something only a team of geniuses with a supercomputer could pull off.
Well, it does require expertise, but it's becoming more accessible.
Really?
Cloud computing and open source tools are making a big difference.
So you're telling me I could potentially build my own AI art generator?
Maybe not in your basement, but
Hey, maybe not in my basement.
the point is the barriers are getting lower.
That's fascinating.
One crucial thing to consider is data management.
Right. The document mentioned clean, diverse, and ethically sourced data.
Absolutely.
Why is that so important? It's just data, right?
Well, think of it like baking a cake.
Okay.
Bad ingredients, bad cake.
So data is the ingredient,
Exactly.
and the AI output is the cake.
Precisely. If you train an AI on biased data, you'll get biased outputs.
It makes sense.
You need a variety of high-quality data for a creative and versatile AI.
Like teaching someone to paint using only one color.
Exactly.
What about the training process? Is it as complicated as it sounds?
It can be computationally intensive, but we have tricks,
Trick.
like transfer learning.
What's that?
We use pre-trained models as a starting point.
So we don't have to start from scratch every time.
It's more efficient,
Clever.
like taking an apprentice who already has some skills.
Instead of teaching them everything from the ground up.
That's a great way to put it.
And there's data augmentation.
Right. Yes. We create more training data from existing samples.
So we're stretching our data further.
Working smarter, not harder.
Okay, back to applications. We talked about healthcare. What else is happening in the medical field?
Well, personalized medicine is becoming a reality.
Personalized medicine.
Treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle.
Wow, like a bespoke tailor for your health.
It's all about using AI to create personalized health plans.
What about AI-powered drug discovery?
That's revolutionary. Instead of trial and error, AI helps design new drugs from scratch.
So AI is becoming a chemist.
It's accelerating the process, giving us new hope in the fight against diseases.
That's amazing.
It is.
Okay, enough about serious stuff. What about entertainment?
Oh, it's getting really exciting.
Tell me more.
Imagine immersive game worlds that adapt to your every move.
Wow, that's next-level gaming.
AI can create characters that are unpredictable and stories that unfold in unexpected ways.
It's like stepping into a whole new dimension.
And how about movies and music enhanced by AI?
Enhanced.
Classic films colorized and remastered, music personalized to your taste.
AI is blurring the lines between reality and fantasy.
It's incredible. We're talking interactive art installations, personalized stories, virtual reality experiences.
And the possibilities are endless.
It seems that way.
But what about other industries like finance or manufacturing?
Generative AI is making its mark there too.
Really?
In finance, it's analyzing market trends, identifying investments, even detecting fraud.
Like having an AI financial advisor.
And in manufacturing, it's optimizing production, designing new products, even creating custom-made goods.
Wow, generative AI is everywhere.
It's transforming how we live and work.
But with great power comes great responsibility, right?
You're right. There are potential risks.
Like what?
The ability to create deepfakes is a big concern.
Those incredibly realistic fake videos.
It's a threat to trust and truth.
It's scary to think anyone could manipulate reality so easily.
It's a valid concern, and researchers are working to address it.
It's a balancing act, isn't it? The potential benefits versus the risks.
It is.
How do we navigate this?
By being aware of the pitfalls, but also embracing the possibilities.
So we need to proceed with caution.
And have open conversations about the ethical implications.
It's about steering innovation in the right direction.
Exactly. It's a responsibility we all share.
We've covered so much in this part.
A lot to think about.
Real-world applications, potential risks. It's clear that generative AI is a powerful force,
It's already shaping our world.
and its impact will only grow in the years to come.
I think that's a safe bet.
Back again for our final look into the world of generative AI.
It's been quite a journey so far.
It has. We've explored how it works,
Mm.
seen its impact across different industries,
Lots of amazing applications.
and even touched on the ethical considerations.
It's important to keep those in mind.
But now, let's look ahead.
To the future.
What's next for this incredible technology? What does the future hold for generative AI?
Well, I think it's safe to say the future is brimming with possibilities.
I like the sound of that.
Researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries,
Always innovating.
exploring new architectures, new techniques, new applications.
It's exciting to think about.
One area that's particularly exciting is self-supervised learning.
Self-supervised learning.
It has the potential to be a real game changer.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
So currently, most AI models need tons of labeled data to learn.
Like a teacher guiding them every step of the way.
Exactly. But with self-supervised learning, AI can learn from unlabeled data.
So it's more independent.
It's like figuring things out through exploration and experimentation.
Like a child learning language by listening to conversations.
Precisely.
So no need for explicit instructions.
That's the idea.
That's incredible. What kind of impact could this have?
Well, for one, it could revolutionize healthcare.
In what way?
Imagine AI that can sift through vast amounts of medical data
Like patient histories, genetic information, lifestyle choices.
and use it to create truly personalized health plans.
It's like having an AI health advisor that knows you better than you know yourself.
It could help us move beyond just treating diseases.
And focus on preventing them.
That's the goal.
What about creative fields? How will self-supervised learning impact art and music?
I think we'll see an explosion of AI-powered creativity.
Wow.
Imagine tools that allow anyone to express their ideas.
Regardless of their technical skills.
Exactly. It could democratize creativity.
I love that idea, but what happens to human artists?
That's a great question, and there's a lot of debate about it.
Will AI replace human artists?
I believe human creativity will always have a place,
Even in a world where AI can create.
but it will evolve. We might see more collaboration
Humans and AI working together.
as partners, each bringing their unique strengths.
Like a creative team.
Exactly.
So it's not about humans versus machines.
It's about humans and machines working together.
That's a much better scenario.
And it's not just about art and music. Imagine AI collaborating with architects
To design innovative buildings.
or working with programmers to write better code,
AI augmenting human capabilities.
pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
It's an exciting future, but we have to be mindful of the ethical implications.
Yeah, absolutely. Responsible AI development is crucial
We need to ensure that generative AI benefits everyone.
and doesn't create new problems or exacerbate existing ones.
It's a responsibility we all share.
Researchers, developers, policymakers, everyone.
We need to have open and honest conversations about these issues.
And work together to shape a positive future.
It's not a predetermined future.
They're actively shaping it through the choices we make.
That's a powerful message.
It is.
The future of generative AI is in our hands.
And it's up to us to steer it in the right direction.
Well, that brings us to the end of our deep dive into generative
A
AI.
deep dive indeed.
We've explored the core concepts, the incredible applications, and the ethical questions that come with this transformative technology.
It's been an amazing journey.
I hope our listeners are leaving with a sense of wonder and maybe even a bit of healthy skepticism.
Curiosity and critical thinking are essential.
Absolutely, as we navigate this exciting new world of generative AI.
A world full of possibilities.
To all our listeners out there, keep those minds curious and those imaginations fired up.
The future is waiting to be created.
And who knows what incredible things we'll achieve with generative AI.
The possibilities are endless.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey.
It's been a pleasure.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep imagining.